Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a cartoon Stegosaurus. Start by lightly sketching a short curved line for the eye. This line should be similar to the letter C on its side. When you get the shape of the eye right, darken the line. Make the line thicker and darker to represent eyelashes. The tips of the line should be thin and pointy. Throughout the video, make sure to pause to draw at your own pace. Inside the eye, draw a small circle for the iris. Draw the circle close to the right edge of the eye. The iris is basically made up of a curved line because the right edge of the eye completes the circle. In the middle of the iris, draw a smaller circle and shade it in for the pupil. Now draw smaller circles on the sides of the pupil for highlights. Above the eye, draw a curved horizontal line for the brow. On the lower left side of the eye, draw another curved line for the muzzle. Sketch lightly at first and only darken this line when you get the shape right. This line should also look similar to the letter C. The bottom part of this line should curve up toward the eye to form the mouth. Add a shorter curved line at the bottom tip of the mouth for a smile line. To the right of the mouth, draw a short curved horizontal line for the bottom part of the head. Inside the muzzle, at the top, draw a tiny circle with a small curved line above it for the nostril. High above the eye, make a small mark to indicate the top part of the head. Now extend the mark farther to the left and curve it down toward the muzzle for the front part of the head. Extend the mark on the right side too and curve it down for the back of the head. Sketch the head lightly at first and only darken the line when you get the shape right. Under the head, draw a long line that slopes to the right for the neck and chest. To the right of the chest, draw the first front leg. The leg is made up of two vertical lines for the sides and a short horizontal line for the bottom. Make the top part of the leg wider than the bottom. To the right of the front leg, draw a horizontal line for the underside of the body. To the right, draw the big hind leg. The sides of this leg are made up of two long sloping lines and the bottom is made up of a short horizontal line. Make the top part of this leg wide and gradually make it thinner toward the bottom. On the right side of the leg, draw a long line that slopes up and to the right for the first part of the tail. Now angle this line to the left so that it ends at the head and completes the shape of the tail and body. The top of this line should curve up for the round back. Make the tip of the tail pointy. Draw an L-shaped line to the left of the front leg for the front leg that's on the other side of the body. To the left of the hind leg, draw a small blocky shape for the hind leg that's on the other side of the body. Along the top part of the body, draw a series of small pentagons for the distinctive plates. Make the tips of the plates round and not too pointy. Make the plate in the middle big and make the plates on the sides smaller. Draw 4 plates in total. The plate on the rightmost side should be the smallest pentagon. On the tip of the tail, draw 2 small triangular shapes for the spikes, also called the thagomizer. Now draw a series of angled lines to the left of the plates for the plates that are on the other side of the body. Most of these plates will be hidden behind the first set of plates, so only draw the top parts. Add 2 more small triangular shapes on the tail to complete the Thagomizer. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. When the ink dries, erase the pencil drawing. Now color your drawing. You can color your drawing any way you'd like. For this look, use light green for the body and add a few stripes at the top using dark green. Color the underside of the body and spikes yellow and the plates orange. Use dark and light brown for the eyes. And that's it for the cartoon Stegosaurus. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit howtodrawanimals.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. That's how, and then the number 2, then drawanimals.com. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.